Want to know how to slice a circle and find the exact distance around the edge or the space trapped inside? Here's the question. Calculate the length of the minor arc PQ and area of the minor sector POQ. Looking at the diagram, we notice that the angle that subtends the arc at the center is 80 degrees and the radius is 9 centimeters. So finding the length of the minor arc, the formula is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Substituting the values, we substitute pi as 80 degrees, r is 9 centimeters, and so we have 80 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 9. Calculating the values, we have 12.571 centimeters, and that is the length of the minor arc. The next question is to find the area of the minor sector. So to find the area of the minor sector, the formula is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Substituting our unknown values into the formula, the area would be 80 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 9 squared. Simplifying and then calculating these values will give us an area of 56.57 centimeters square. Please click on the like, subscribe, and follow for more videos. Please leave your comments in the comment section.